what's up guys? Jonah right here with Blue Collar Blueprint, and today I wanted to show you what I do in preparation before I get started with my work. And that's basically doing this, right? Building a Dexter style kill room in my workspace. And you know, all jokes aside, I basically build this plastic encasement for the same reason Dexter does, right? I don't want there to be any evidence that I was ever here, with the exception of what I was hired to do.
So we gotta keep the mess inside the kill room, not on the people's house.
Nonetheless, you have to make sure that you have the mindset of a consummate professional. And guys, a consummate professional is the guy who always leaves a job cleaner than it was before he showed up to do that work. That builds trust with your customer, it creates value in the marketplace, and you will be the guy who gets great reviews and gets great recommendations when people walk in and they say, oh my God, you took such good care of my home. Remember, where we work is in other people's homes, right? It's not just a job site for us, this is where somebody lives. You've got to take care of that stuff. So keep that in your mind, go with that today, take pride in keeping your job site clean. Be that guy.